Hello, welcome guys. I'm Kayode Leke, and in today's tutorial I'll be talking about how we could use the pen tool in an advanced way. If you remember, there was a tutorial I created earlier on using the pen tool. But today we'll be using it to remove backgrounds. If peradventure the image you want to work with, it's in a background that is not plain, it's going to create a contrast if you just use the magic eraser tool. But if you use your pen tool, it helps you to trace out the particular object you want out of the picture, and it makes things easy for you. So without wasting much time, I'm going to cut out this chair from this background for you. So the first thing is to load up your image into Photoshop. Then remember, I'm using Photoshop CC 2017. So you select your pen tool, then this is your navigator toolbar here. You can zoom in to give you more clarity of the picture you want to cut out or the image you want to cut out. So you can zoom in as much as you want. I think I'm okay with this. Okay, then you start picking it one by one. So remember, like I taught you in the former tutorial, if you want to watch the previous tutorial, just check the description below, and you will see the link to the previous tutorial I created on the basics of pen tool. So you first click your starting point, then you click your next point. Then if you notice, there's a curve around here. So all you need to do is I'll select somewhere around here. When I select it, I select an old. You select an old, then you drag against the curve. So as I'm dragging, you can see that it's creating a curve instead of a straight line. So you do that to trace it around. Once the curve takes the shape of the area you want to make use of, then you release. The moment you release, you notice that you can see two lines you can see a line above here with contour 1 and contour 2. So what you need to do is, in order to continue your tracing, you press your Alt key down. You can see once I press the Alt key down, you can see that the sign below the pen tool changes, and you click this center anchor point here. You can see that it clears off the upper one because I'm moving in this direction. If I was moving in this direction, it will clear off this lower one. So I'm moving this direction, then it allows me to continue my tracing. So I change. Then here is also a slight curve, then I can do the same. Then your Alt, then click center. Then if it's a straight place, you just click. Then this is also a little curve. I click and hold, then I drag to take the shape. Then you press your Alt again, then you click the center. So you can do this on and on until you get the shape that you actually need. So so that I don't make the video too lengthy, I'll pause the video and we'll come back when I'm done with this. Okay, now I'm done tracing out this particular image. So what I'm going to do is, once I'm done tracing it out, I just come here, then I right click, then I select make selection. You could also you can fill the sub part if you want to actually fill it up into another color, or you can stroke it if you want to actually create a stroke around it. But for this particular topic, for this particular reason, I'm moving the background. I want to remove the background, I want to cut out the image. So I select and click the make selection. Then you can increase the radius of the selection, but basically I want it to, since I selected it properly, I want it to stick to the image, so I just leave it on 0 and I click OK. So automatically you see that it creates the selection for me. So once I'm done with the selection, once I'm done with that, I press Ctrl J. Okay. Oh, sorry, something went wrong here. Sorry about that. Okay. All right. Something went wrong here. Okay. Let me right click again, make selection. Then I click OK. Okay. All right. So here I am. Then I press Ctrl J. So you can see that my chair is out now. So my chair is out now. So but if you notice that this particular part, I want to remove it also because it's not part of the chair. So all I need to do is just to trace it again. Just trace it out. Just trace this little part out this way. Then I get my curve. Okay, I think I didn't get that a bit. Okay, let me move this a bit up. I press my control down, you can see the arrow changes. Then you move this up a bit. Then you can now continue with your selection. So then select here. Okay, so once you're done, you right click on it, then you click make selection, click OK. Then and this time around I want to cut this part out. You understand? I want to cut out this place. So what I'll just do is I can just press delete, or I can just click on this move tool here. Once I place it on top of here, you can see that the move tool, you can see what shows on that the arrow changes to a scissors. It shows you that you're actually cutting. So once I move this out, I press delete. So and your chair is there for you. So that is how you can actually move it about and use it anywhere you want. You can add shadow to it. You can make it look nice. Let's add a bit of shadow. Double click on this layer. Then you can click drop shadow. Okay, let's make the shadow a bit obvious. Okay, then you click OK. Let me give the new background. So I click here, I click select a new layer, then I make this background to be foreground. So you click this arrow, it turns it to the background. So it turns the background to foreground. Then I right click on this gradient tool to get my paint bucket. Then I can paint this layer. You can see that I now have a white background. So then you can move your chair around anyhow you want. So you can see I've created a shadow for it. You double click on the layer, the layer the layer of the chair. It will open the layer style for you. So you can give it any style you want. So this is just for, let me give it a distance. You can see, but I think it's okay this way. Then let me reduce the opacity a bit. Then when you're done, you just click OK. So that's that on today's tutorial. So that's how you can remove the background of an image. You can remove the background of any image you want to cut out, maybe your picture you want to work on, or if you're a photographer, you want to make additions to your pictures you snapped for your clients. So this makes life easy for you. So what I need to do now is to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I release tutorials like this weekly, you will get a notification. Also hit the like button, and I want you to also share this video with your friends. I'm Kayode Leke, and I'll see you in the next video.